In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new shields in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, shields play an important role in your gameplay strategy by protecting your properties and assets. So let's delve into the world of Monopoly Go and learn how you can acquire these essential shields. First things first, you'll need to open the Monopoly Go app. For those unfamiliar, Monopoly Go is a digital version of the classic board game, available on various platforms, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of real estate trading and property building on the go. Once you've launched the game, make sure you're logged in and ready to play. Then it's all about exploring the various opportunities the game offers to strengthen your defensive capabilities with shields. A great way to get new shields is by participating in in-game events. These events are not just exciting puzzles or battles, they serve as special challenges that can reward you with a variety of items, including shields. By joining these events, you have the chance to earn shields that can be invaluable in defending your lands from attacks by other players. Pay close attention to any notifications or updates about events, as they often come with limited windows of time to participate. Remember, participating actively in these events will significantly enhance your chances of acquiring new shields, so don't miss out. Another useful strategy is completing daily tasks. Each day the game offers a set of tasks that, when completed, might reward you with shield skins. These skins are more than just for aesthetics. They provide useful protection for your properties in the game. Take some time daily to check these tasks. Often they are simple and don't take too long to complete, but provide great returns in the form of these defensive upgrades. With shield skins, not only do you get an added layer of strategy in the game, but you also enjoy the stylish appearance they bring to your properties, showcasing your accomplishments as a skilled player. Exploring these strategies will keep you well equipped within Monopoly Go. Keep in mind that patience and persistence are key. The more you engage with the game, participate in events and complete in daily tasks, the more rewards you'll reap, including those all-important shields. So dive into Monopoly Go, explore these features and start building a strong defense. By following these tips, you'll gradually find yourself becoming a formidable player, ready to tackle and protect whatever comes your way in the world of Monopoly Go. Enjoy the game and remember to have fun along the way.